In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube voice search on your LG TV, a super handy feature that lets you find videos, music, and more just by speaking into your remote. It's fast, easy, and perfect if you're tired of typing with the on-screen keyboard. To get started, make sure your LG TV is connected to the internet and the YouTube app is installed. Then, open the YouTube app using your remote. Now look for the microphone icon on the screen or press and hold the voice button on your remote. Usually looks like a little microphone or says OK or AI on it. Once you press and hold it, say what you want to search for, like how to change a tire or play jazz music. The TV will process your voice command and automatically start playing the best match from YouTube. You can also refine your search or choose different results from the list shown on screen. If voice search isn't working, check your settings to make sure voice recognition and Google Assistant are enabled under the Voice or AI Sound menu in your LG TV settings. Thanks for watching. If you were able to use YouTube voice search on your LG TV after this video, drop a comment below and let me know what you searched for first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.